Welcome back to the channel. Sunday afternoon, nice rainy Sunday. Can't do anything outside, so we're in here. We'll start getting the measurements I need to draw up a truss and get one made. Went to the steel yard. Went to the steel yard yesterday. Unfortunately, struck out. They didn't have any 1/4-inch plate. I couldn't find anything in 3/8. I went for a top cap. So I'll try again next week. They had lots of 3/8 plate. If I was building a killdozer, I would have been set. But I'm not. So, back to the axle here. Obviously, I've taken the carrier and the axle shafts out. It is full of garbage. It's going to need a thorough cleaning internal, but that's fine because I'm going to take it all apart, put new bearings and everything in it. So, at this point, it doesn't really matter. You clean up the gasket surface so I can make some drawings. Found my center line. The existing pads are too narrow, so these will have to be cut off. That's the center line for the new pads over here and here. And this is the width of the carrier and the flat. So we'll get some measurements here. Start doing a sketch. And let's see what we can come up with. So, anyways, excuse my mess and my dust. It's kind of crowded in here. I need to get my son over here. He has a lot of stuff in my garage right now that's his that needs to go to his garage. Unfortunately, he's extremely busy right now, so I'm just going to have to work around it as best I can. So, let's make our sketch. The spring perches are on 43 3/4 center. So 43 3/4 inch. Case is 19.5. Flat area I want to come in at 17.5. Let's get our height from the top of the tube. Now I have leveled this parallel to the axle tube, so let's see what we got here. We are roughly 4. I'm going to come out to the side a little bit. It's about 5 inches. So, how's our flat portion here on the top of the truss? Is approximately 2 1/8, and it is a 1/2 inch to the left of center line. 2 1/8, 1/2 offset left. Okay, I think that's pretty much all I need right now. Well, now I need to figure out how wide my perch is here. They should be 2 1/2. So, and they are. Spring perch width 2 1/2. Perch width. Now what I'd like to do is bring the truss down once these are gone, perches on here, and bring it level with this surface here. So once this is set down where it belongs, I like to truss the butt up right up against here. Get as much width as I can out of it. And this is up a little bit because these are for not 3 1/2 inch axles. They need a little trimming to match. So how about I clearance these up real quick and get it set on here. Be right back. Alright. Got it radiused out. Ooh, still hot. Perch sits good. We're 7/8 of an inch from the top of the surface of the tube. So 7/8. perch height. So, do I have all the measurements I need, I believe? Now I need to know from here to here and from here to here. So, in order to do that, we'll need to clamp a square through here down the center line. Slide over. Am I really? Oh, you're kidding me. I'm going to hitting my clamp. Let's see. So I'm just going to have to do it this way. Might be able to do it on this side. Really should be organizing my garage and not working in my garage. As everybody knows, it's much more fun to be working in the garage than cleaning the garage. Square it across the top here. Close enough for this. And 7 3/8. And we are 12 1/4. All right, so got all my numbers here. I think I'm going to go and set myself up on on Fusion and start doing a sketch here. So let me get something drawn here and we'll be back in a minute. So walk back out with the garage. Saturday night. Then we'll start cleaning these brackets off. So I get the rest of the housing stripped off so I can get this thing cleaned up. Got a lot of mud in the bottom of it. So I figured it'd be a good time to get this stuff done. So, do the time lapse here. See how long it takes me to cut these stupid brackets off. Hang on. Just one spot I can't get to with the grinder.